How much I'm going to get here, but the lightning, you can hear the thunder, it's vibrating the car. The lightning bolts that I have seen tonight have been amazing. I had one burn itself into my eye. Like, it was so bright that I saw it for a few seconds afterward. And that was more over this way. Oh, I might have gotten that one. It was more over this way. That's, I am now in Mustang. And, the storm's going to be coming right through. You can, it's going right through Mustang now. Winds at 65 miles an hour. Forcing drivers to drive 15. Hail, diamond, nickel size, I would guess. I believe the majority of the storm is back behind. There was a good one. I mean, you can hear it. It's just... This is amazing. I'm getting less lightning than I saw. I'm going to actually turn around and restart.